How to download app on LG TV. If you want to download apps on LG TV has their own app store. So for this, when you're on the home dashboard, you will see this information. From the bottom of the toolbar, you'll find an option that says apps. So this apps option is basically our app store. So you can go ahead and select that app store option. And once you do this, you will see this type of option over here, right? Now let the app store load up, and also keep in mind that you actually need to log into your LG TV account to be able to download applications. So let this page to load up successfully, and once you've done so, from the very top right hand side you'll find this little search bar there, right? So you can just hit the search bar icon. Once you hit the search bar, you can search for any applications that you want to download, but it must be available on LG TV store. And once you've done that, you want to simply scroll down, and you can also choose between the list of recommended apps, and you can hit the install button if you want to install it. This way you'll be able to download app on LG TV. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.